Definitely.
All right, I got my buddy Chad here from Old Silk Hat Customs. You can follow him on
Facebook.
On Facebook at Old Silk Hat Customs, Silk Hat Customs, or if you go to Instagram, a Hammer by Hand on Instagram. So what we're doing is these inner wheel wells are all bead rolled here, and made the inner sheet metal. So we're going to lay out this panel and bead roll it. It'll be a lot easier. 2 people, 1 person to run the deal, 1 person to push it. So we're over here laying this out right now. We're gonna hammer this out on the Yoder hammer, but I think we'll just do the manual bead roller instead, just for the practice.
I put the Yoder in the back of the minivan.
Oh, it is? Okay.
Yeah.
How many tons is yours? 300 or?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah, standard.
Whatever Jesse James uses.
I called Jesse the other day just to see, and he was busy in Austin, so it was all right. But he said, yeah, 300 Yoder's good enough for what we're doing. Oh, this isn't the AHCA restoration, so it's got to be perfect. It's got
1, 2, 3, 4, and then straights.
Like 3 or 4, but they're oddball. It's like they just eyeballed it in.
Yeah.
Oh, worked enough. Looks good. Oh. I like the sharp working surface you got here. I found these sawhorses in the dumpster at work. Come in handy. Just want me to go at a steady rate.
Yeah, that's good right there. Oh.
It's probably the same technology they used when they built the car originally.
Yep.
Next question is it going to run into anything on the workbench before it runs out of throat?
It's gonna be close. You're gonna have to tell me because I'm looking up here. Yeah, she had enough.
Damn.
Boom.
Look at that.
Alright.
Nice.
Number 1.
37 more to go.
Yep.
It's a lot easier. 1 person. Getting close? Yep. Nice.
It's that song, like, they see me roll and I'm fronting.
They're hating.
They're hating. They see me roll and I'm hating. Bam! Look at that.
Boom.
That's nice. It's a little, just a little bigger than what they had originally, but it's the only die we got, so they're gonna have to live with it. Oh, hold on, I get the whole call. Hello?
This is Josh.
Yeah.
This is Big Dick and Old World.
Big Dick, what's up? Put away your cell phone so we can keep working, for crying out loud. Freaking kids and their cell phones. Hold on, I'm touching my pocket for a second. Oh. It's made in USA, wherever that is.
There was a town in Taiwan called USA.
USA. I like Hecho in Mexico. I better pay attention to what we're doing here. Now we're gonna take this to Hershey and hopefully get a junior award with it. So if we gotta beat to AACA specs.
Yeah.
I mean, doesn't have to be perfect.
Right.
It has to be close enough for government work. Uh-oh.
Close to the end.
Uh-oh. Hit the scissors. Here, that's gonna get trimmed off, so like turn it and we'll just walk it out of the pin. Because that's in a trim out area. It's gonna be close. Oh yeah. Woo!
Wait.
Look at that. Hold up to the camera. Thumbs up. What else can we bead roll?
Everything. Everything.
Hashtag bead roll the world.
Yeah. Everything needs to be rolled.
Hashtag bead rolling. Hashtag bead roll. Can we bead roll a hashtag? That's what we should do.
Do it right now.
Well, what are you making now?
Hold on, I'll show you in a minute.
All right.
Hashtag Thomas Rocket Car.
Awesome. Now we got a hashtag sign. We can hashtag the world.
Hashtag the world. Pass it on.
Now I'm going to speed this video up so we can follow the yellow brick road when we go down there.
Follow the Yellow Brick Road? Yep. We represent the Lollipop Guild. The Lollipop Guild. The Lollipop Guild. And in the name of the Lollipop Guild, we wish to welcome you to Munchkin Land. We thank you very deeply. I don't know the rest of the words.
Let's roll on over here and do this again. You know what we need is Roller Girl from Boogie Nights.
Yeah, would you second guess if I told you I was a roller boogie king back in the day?
No.
I really was. I used to work at USA.
Really?
Oh yeah. Spent many nights in the roller rink.
Let's bring it back.
I just noticed though, I don't think you're going to be able to stiffen this. Because
That's what she said.